Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening messages and tapping Compose, or by picking a conversation. Then add 2 or more recipients. You need at least one iMessage contact to use Apple-specific features. Otherwise, the thread falls back to SMS. Once the people are listed, send a single message to create the group thread. Make sure to use the blue bubble contacts for full functionality. If anyone appears green, they may be on SMS and limit features. Now move on to manage settings and options. You tap the group header, then choose Details to see options. This is where you name the group and set a photo. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or choose to share your location, depending on what the group needs. You can add or remove participants here. Note that removing people requires an iMessage group with all blue bubbles versus SMS groups where removal isn't supported. Make sure you explain these limits to members so expectations match functionality. You finish by confirming the group name, photo, and notification settings, then send a quick test message so everyone sees it. Once done, use mentions and inline replies to keep conversations clear in busy groups, and pin the chat if it's important. If something goes wrong, say messages won't send or features are missing. Check that iMessage is active, verify cellular or Wi-Fi, and update iOS. Restarting the device often resolves lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.